welcome back to another slow fashion video. For those who are new to my channel, hi, this is Sakshi. I make fashion and lifestyle videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe now. Today we are going to talk about outfit ideas that I particularly feel works well for summer, and I know I'm too late for this, but it's better to be late than never. As you all know, I'm a huge fan and a big time supporter of shopping your own closet, that is to restyle your same clothes with different pieces. I have few basic outfits which I'm going to share, and I'm going to add few basic elements into them to spice the outfit a little bit more. I think it's beneficial to practice restyling as it spices up your basic outfits and also helps you to get most out of your closet. There are few tips that I would like to share when it comes to restyling. So my first tip is to mix and match and prepare an outfit from your go-to items. And by go-to items, I mean that clothes that you feel comfortable with and you feel that the color palette kind of goes well with each other and kind of complement with each other. After that, you need to pause and think of adding a third piece. This third piece could be a belt, scarf, bag, blazer or a bomber jacket that can elevate your style and bring out that extra oomph factor to the whole attire. In this way, it will be easy for you to practice restyling in your daily life as you're already wearing what you are comfortable with. All you need to do is keep on switching third piece and achieve different look every time. The second tip about restyling is to create balance with silhouette. That is, if you're wearing something fitted on the top, then you're going to balance it out by wearing something relaxed and loose fit in the bottom. Next thing to put emphasis is on balancing out proportion. One thing that makes well-dressed people stand out is that they kind of wear clothes that accentuates or complements their body, as no one has perfect figure. It's all about how you get dressed up. In summers, what I've started doing is to balance out where I show my skin. That is, if I'm showing off my shoulders and arms, then my legs are definitely going to be covered and vice versa. My last tip when you put an outfit together is to coordinate colors and textures. That is, to use colors that kind of go well with each other or give a good contrast when they are paired together. So these are just few simple and basic restyling tips that I follow. I hope it is helpful to you. Now I know that I have spoken a lot. Without further ado, let's get started. So my first go-to outfit is long pants and a crop top. And as you can see that my pants are a bit more relaxed and loose fit, so I'm going to balance out the silhouette with a crop top. I'm also trying to balance out the proportions. As you can see that this top has a broad neckline, so I chose to pair it up with flared trousers which are more covered. So here's the look. I can see myself going for a nice day out. The trousers are giving kind of a relaxed vibe, while the crop top is giving kind of playful and peppy vibe, which is perfect to go outside. And as for third piece, I'm going to take my sling bag, which adds more casual vibe to the whole attire. Another look which I curated for this concept is to wear a fitted crop top with these flared trousers. The crop top which I'm going to use for this look is this beautiful magenta ruffle detail crop top. Ruffle detail gave cool yet stylish vibe, and I'm also trying to balance out the proportions since I'm pairing this fitted crop top with flared pants, which gives kind of more relaxed vibe. What I love most about this outfit is the beautiful combination of magenta and blue. To complete the outfit, I'm going to take scarf as a third piece and tie my hair with it. The scarf is printed and is perfect for summers, giving a good contrast to the whole outfit. My next outfit is this midi skirt and a fitted crop top. As you can see that this crop top gives kind of a summery vibe which goes well with the soft and feminine feel of the satin skirt. I'm also trying to play around with the silhouette. As you can see that this is a very fitted top, so I have paired it up with a flowy satin skirt. So this is my skirt and top combo, and I'm pairing it up with a black flowy shirt which gives kind of a airy and easygoing vibe. So I could totally see myself going out in this to a small party or a gathering. My next outfit also involves skirt, but it is whole lot different from the satin one. So I have this fitted black pencil skirt, and I'm going to balance out the silhouette with the simple white t-shirt which gives kind of a relaxed vibe. So here's the outfit, and I feel so good in this. What's interesting about this whole outfit is that it has an interesting mix of silhouettes, so you don't need to do much to look good in this. As a third piece, I'm going to use a belt and wear sandals, but if you want to go for a more casual look, you can switch sandals with sneakers. You can choose between the style vibe that you're feeling that day and dress according to it. I'm also adding bag to complete the look. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section which outfit combo was your favorite. Till then, give your girl lots of love, like, and don't forget to share and subscribe. See ya!